Right, my man, something a little bit different today. Thought I'd talk to you. Why not? I've done this before, haven't done it for a while. You might have seen one of these before, you might not. But anyway, here's the thing. Over the last 3 days, my emails have been about some of our members, right? There was an email about Paul, who's a big guy, big rugby guy. Great bloke, loads of strength, but he couldn't move, right? He couldn't move properly, and it would become a problem in later life. Okay, so he had a big breakthrough this week, and we've got him moving. He's doing something he couldn't do a month ago, and that's fantastic. That opens so many doors for his movement, which will then open doors for his strength, right? The next email was about Johnny, who's kind of the opposite to Paul. Johnny could move. He's very tall, very slim, but he was lacking strength when he first came along. He's now as strong as everyone else, I can't remember what the email was about. Well, anyway, he couldn't make it to a session, but he's got a couple of bells at home, right, which he bought himself. So he used those at home. He couldn't make it along to the session, but he still did the work. Okay, and this is kind of what this is all about. We've then got Russ, who comes along, who's in between those two. Okay, Paul's a big ex-rugby player. Johnny's sort of tall and slim. Russ is somewhere in the middle. Okay, and when he started, his problem was he had a sore lower back. Okay, we got him swinging around a 16-kilogram kettlebell, and he could feel it in his back. So all we did was tweak his technique. You know, he's worked with kettlebells before, but he's never gone as heavy as he can now. So 10 months ago, he couldn't swing a 16 without getting a sore back. Now, you saw the video, he's swinging a 40 kilogram on Thursday, and he was making it look easy. He could have done more. He did 100 reps of that, plus lots of stuff with two 24-kilogram bells, getting above his head, all that paper. Okay? Now, the reason for this video is to tell you these are three very different people, okay, with different goals, but the thing that they've all got in common is consistency, right? They've all turned up to every session, and if they can't, they'll do a session outside, which is what I was talking about, Johnny. So they turn up to every session they can. They don't make excuses. They're busy guys. One runs his own business. Two of them run their own businesses, actually. One's a pub landlord, so he works funny hours. The other one, trains kids for rugby, so he's all over the shop all the time, but he always turns up to his sessions. And the other guy works in an office, works from home sometimes, and he's always there. He's got a couple of kids to look after. You know, they're all busy, right? So that is not an excuse. If you're using "I'm busy" as an excuse, it's not one. Okay, we've got one space left for June. We've got 4 guys starting on the 13th of June. We've got one more space, and then all of these guys and you possibly will be starting from the same place, and then in 10 months' time you might be swinging a 40-kilogram bell around as well. Okay. Why does that matter? It makes you stronger. It makes you live longer, basically. Okay. So, that's that. Nothing else today. This is it. If you want to join, you can go and find a link in one of the other emails and join. If you want to come onto the 14-day trial. If you don't, why are you here? It's as simple as that. Why? What do you want by receiving these emails? What do you want to achieve? Okay. And then once you've worked that out, hit the link.